Hi everyone, my name is Paul Shapiro and I'm with Fireflow Technology. First of all, I'd like to thank Bobby Halton and the gang for inviting me back again this year to teach. The name of my class is going to be called Don't Screw Around, Just Blast It. And it's kind of what it sounds like. It's going to be about hitting fires with heavy streams. We're not talking about surround and drown type fires. We're talking about hitting large fires that require large flows in an offensive mode to stop the fire from spreading to exposures or the rest of the fire building itself. How many times have you seen at large fires, whether it's in person or on video or in the magazines, with master streams and big hand lines set up, and they're using smoothbore tips and they have the smallest tip on there. If you're looking at the play pipe on a 2.5, you're talking about 210 GPM with the 1-inch tip. If you're looking at master streams, you're talking about an 1 3/8 tip at 500 GPM. Folks, this just isn't enough water. We need to hit this thing hard and hit it fast. We're going to start off with the simple blitz attack off a booster tank. Booster tank operations can go up to 500 GPM. We're going to show you different methods on how to correctly flow 500 GPM through different weapons, such as the fixed deck gun, the mini blitz fire monitors, or, believe it or not, a 500 GPM handline. Then we're going to go through tool recognition, if you will. We're going to talk about the different handlines and the different master stream nozzles that are out there and see what they're actually capable of. We're going to have a little quiz. It's going to be a kind of keep it to yourself quiz. We're not going to write anything down, but we're going to ask you to describe your own nozzles and what they're capable of flowing, how much hose you have in your bed, how long of a lay can you do, things of that nature, just to get you thinking. Then we're going to go to the master stream nozzles, and we're going to talk about the different types of nozzles that are available, including, or I should say, and the different types of appliances, because they do make 2000 GPM appliances for master streams. Okay, then we're going to get into the water supply. With large diameter hose, we've gotten spoiled to where we just lay in a large diameter hose supply line from hydrant pressure only and expect it to work wonders. That's why a lot of times you see at large fires where they run out of water, and they're wondering why if they have large diameter hose. Well, the bottom line is you got to treat large diameter hose just as you did with the 2.5 and 3-inch hose. You have to relay pump it. We're going to get into relay pump operations in the proactive mode. In other words, we're not going to wait until we run out of water to start setting up. We're going to be setting up for these long lays right away. As soon as we get the streams going, it's going to be a part of the initial operation. We're going to show a 2000 GPM elevated platform flowing 2000 GPM. We're going to show how to do it with tandem pumping. We're also going to show something new. It's going to be a super pumper. It's going to basically be set up like the FDNY's old satellite super pumper system with a little twist to it. We're not going for the major flows. We're going to be using a standard 1500 GPM pumper to get between 3 and 4000 GPM supplied from probably 3 to 4 pumpers depending on the hydrants and the length of the lay, with hardly any alterations to the super pumper itself. So it'll run out of its own station, running its own calls, but be available to flow large flows. This class should be action-packed. I hope for class participation in it. Talk about fires you've been on and things you're doing to flow large flows. Questions are welcome throughout the class. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much.